Hello friends, today we will discuss this very important topic, that is how to use Google Scholar for searching literatures effectively. So this is going to be a very important video for the beginner researchers or the new researchers who are in the starting of the research career. So here we will see like how you can use Google Scholar for searching different literatures effectively. And so of course we can use Google Scholar, but of course there are few important techniques through which that literature searching can become very effective. So in today's video we will try to see this only. Okay, so let us start the video. So first I will open the browser. So I will open the Google Scholar page. So this is the Google Scholar page I open. So first what I have to do, I have to start with some keywords, so which is related to your research area. Suppose I work in environmental engineering, especially in adsorption, water catalysis related areas for water treatment purpose mainly. So here I am using some keywords like adsorption, and then diagonal, etc. Okay, so then I will search it. So you can see here like there are so many pages with so many research articles on this particular here. So these are the articles, and of course Google Scholar will search the research articles from all the publishers, and most of the publishers are coming under the purview of the Google Scholar. So that is possible through Google Scholar. Now of course this is the article, you can click on the article and this is the article, it will open. Of course if you have the access, then you can directly get the paper. Now this is a very simple technique now that almost everybody knows, but now today I will try to show you some advanced things. For example, at the left hand side you see here where the mouse is moving. Here time frame is given. Suppose you want to search the literatures on adsorption and by diagonal adsorption technique, which is very recent years, since recent years. So maybe see here you have different options like since 2017, since 2020, since 2021, something like that. So these filters are there. So suppose I am clicking on since 2017. Now you see all the papers, whatever has come, that has been published with 2017 and later on, not the old papers. And mostly people are looking for the new research articles in that area to get the idea about the state of the art process of the that particular area. Similarly, you can go for since 2020, 2021, etc. Okay. Now here one more option is there like custom page, you can see. So here 2017 to 2020, so 20 you can write, then you go for search. So here you will get all the articles which have been published in between this 2017 to 2020. So you can make it as per your convenience, make it as 2018. So the article published in between 2017 and 18, it is been showing here. So accordingly you can open and you can read the articles if you have the access. Suppose this Arabian Journal of Chemistry, this is a open access journal, so you can directly download the PDF from here, or you can study the HTML versions from the web page directly. Okay. Now some advanced things also we will see. Let us see. Suppose we want to see this area, the articles on diadsorption from especially from a specific publisher, maybe from Science Direct or Elsevier you can say. So then what we have to do, go here with the advanced search. So these are the adsorption diagonal is here. Now written articles published in. So here you can write the name like Elsevier. Okay. Then you go for search. Then you will see that all the articles in that particular area will come from only the publisher, that is Elsevier. No other publishers will come. And then according to your requirement you can open. Now similarly you can try it from Springer. Springer is another very popular publisher, you know that. So I didn't go for search. Now you see all the publications from Springer publishers. Similarly, you can go for Woodley, Taylor Francis. So many others are there. Okay. So accordingly, you can go. Now, suppose you want to find from a specific journal the publications from a specific journal. For example, Chemical Engineering Journal. Okay, this is a very high impact factor journal from Elsevier. Now you see all these publications has come from the chemical engineering journal. See, the chemical engineering journal. Okay. So this way you can go for specific search. Now another thing I will discuss here in this video, how to search review articles from Google Scholar. So suppose this is I have given. So these are the keywords like absorption. Okay, so you can put the symbol here, then diagonal, then you put review word. So you see the review articles has come to some absorbance for diagonal review and adsorption of dyes using different types of clay review. Okay, so all the review articles has come. And you know that when you start your research work in a particular area, and of course it is a very good idea that you go with the review articles at the initial stage. So you read all the review articles in that area, then you will have a very nice knowledge on that particular area. Accordingly, you can think of new research proposal. Okay, so that is why this is going to be very important information for you. Okay, so I hope this information will be useful for the beginners, especially the new researchers, and similar type of information will be coming in the upcoming videos. Okay, thank you for hearing me.